Then let's take a look at 3 different methods to remove a knob from a lock. The tool we will use in this video is a small scribe. You can use any scribe-like tool to remove a lock handle, even a piece of wire. The first type is the inside knob. This is the type of knob used on cylindrical or push-button door locks. To remove the inside handle, locate the handle retainer hole. Use the scribe to push in the handle retainer pin, then pull the handle from the lock. The handle retainer is spring-loaded and can easily be pushed down. To remove the lock from the door, pop off the faceplate. This will expose the screw holes. The next type of handle we will remove is an outside knob. It has the retainer visible without turning the handle. This knob will require a working key. If the key is not turned, it is not possible to remove the handle. We first have to turn the key 90 degrees, then push down the handle retaining pin. The knob can then be pulled from the lock. Let's have a look at how it works. We will leave just the tailpiece of the lock cylinder so we can see what is happening. The tailpiece blocks the handle retainer. It only pushes down when the key is turned. When the key is turned, there is now space for the retainer to depress. The knob can now be removed. So to remove this type of knob, we turn the key, depress the retainer pin, and pull the handle off. The third type of handle we will remove is a bit tricky. The retainer is not exposed as in the previous example. There is an outer cover ring that covers the retainer pin. To remove the handle, we first must rotate the handle to expose the retainer pin. With the handle rotated, we have to turn the key in the opposite direction 90 degrees. We can now depress the handle retainer with our scribe and pull the handle from the lock. To refit the knob, the handle is pushed on until it comes to a stop. The key is then turned to allow the retainer to depress. The knob can then be fully pushed into position. Let's have a look how this works. We will make the knob invisible so we can have a better look. The handle is rotated so we can see the retainer. Then the key is turned the opposite direction 90 degrees. The retainer pin is depressed and the lock knob and cylinder is removed. If you require help removing an entrance lock set and you are in Brisbane, you can always call the Lock Mob anytime.